Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a DIY on how I'm going to spruce up this wreath. I've had this wreath now for about 10 years and it's lost a lot of pieces. A lot of things are just hanging down off of it. So I'm going to touch up this wreath rather than buy a new one. And I did that to the wreath that I have for fall that's hanging outside right now. I went to the Dollar Tree and I found a bunch of these picks. Some of them are big, they might be bulky, I don't know, I'm gonna have to try it out and see. Some are other ones are really cute. They have acorns on there, different colored leaves, and some pine on there too. This one in particular is really cute. It has glitter on the leaves. I'm gonna try and see how this one looks in there. The picks are pretty long, so I'm probably gonna have to weave it in there. And see how big I can get it. I also found these really cute ornaments. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to put them on the wreath, but I'm going to fill it up first and then see if I can use these as accents. This one's really cute, I thought. It's just a little gift. I mean, for $1, it's not a big deal. I also found this one, a little reindeer, that I thought was just adorable. And I found a snowflake, which I really like. That was really cute. And then more of these have ornaments on them, and I thought it would bring some color into the wreath and some glam, a little bit of glam. So I'm going to spruce this up and show you the process. I'm probably going to be moving things around a lot. If you want to see how I spruce up this old wreath that I have and see how you can kind of DIY it into something cuter, then please keep watching. Before I started, I decided I should find out where the hook is to hang from the door so I can know which part is the top. And I'm going to be sprucing up some of these pieces of pine that were pushed down in the storage bag that I put the wreath in. You can see the twinkling HD lights that I have. They are battery operated. I put them on a couple of years ago. They are on a timer, so they turn off I think around 9 or 10 p.m. And I'm just going to explore where to put everything. The picks are nice and long, so they're easy to tuck in, and they're pretty secure once you get them in. You just kind of have to weave them around the base of the wreath. And so I'm just going to keep doing this and exploring, trying to figure out where to put it, and I hope you enjoy the process. These pieces are a little different than the others. As you can see, they don't have picks, so I'm going to just clip them on to the wreath. They're cute. They have acorns and a drum and a little present attached to it, so it's kind of like an ornament, but I thought it would add something besides just flowers to the wreath. Alright guys, I think I am done. I've filled it with those picks that I showed you. I tried to round it out a little bit because it was a bit lopsided. And in the middle, this one here needs to be tucked in a little bit. So, I hope this video is helpful and that you can use this to spruce up your wreath instead of buying a new one. I know these are pretty expensive. I think when I bought this, I bought it for about $50 and just kept it, and over time parts just kept falling off. So this way I've touched it up a little bit. I think it should last us a while. I can always add and take out things. And like I said, each piece was only $1, so I thought that's a great deal. And I've just kind of zhuzhed it up a little bit, made it look a little more dramatic. And that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my YouTube family. If you like DIY project videos like these, then please click the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!